Hello friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to be talking about that how you can move one snapshot from one region to another region. So let's go to the screen. As you can see here that I'm currently present in my dashboard of AWS, in which I have previously shown you that how you can what you can say create a recycle bin of the snapshot. Once you delete the snapshot, it will move to the recycle bin. But now this video I'm going to be moving one snapshot from one region to another region. So I have no snapshot present in my dashboard currently. There is one volume that I created in my previous video. So what I will do here, I will create a snapshot. Let's create it. So I will just what you can say give the volume, and after that the name could be anything like snapshot. All right, and after that let's write this one, create snapshot. So now what it will do, it will basically what you can say, if I go here, yeah, so it is fine now. So what I will do here, this snapshot will take some time in order to be completed. So let's wait for it, and once it is created, I will get to you. So let's take a look at this, refresh this. So yeah, one thing that you also need to keep in mind is that I'm present in the Mumbai region. If I show you here, as you can see here, this is the Mumbai region, and I will move it like to the US East Virginia. So I will move it here. So let's refresh this, and now you can see here that it is completed now. So now I will go what I will do here, I will copy the snapshot. First of all, let's select this, go to the action, copy snapshot, and now you can give the description anything that you want. And now you can see here that this is the destination region that it is asking me. So previously it was present in the AP South one, that is in the Mumbai region. So what I will do here, I will move it to US East one, right? So let's find the US East one, where it is. Let's write like US East one. Yeah, this one. Okay. So now there is another thing that you also need to keep in mind, is this the encryption. So what does it mean? Basically, once you created the volume, not the snapshot but the volume, once you created it, it was decrypted, right? So as a result, if you create a snapshot of it, it will also be decrypted. But if you click on this encrypt, then what it will do, it will encrypt this snapshot, and the volume that which will be created based on this snapshot in another region will also be decrypted, right? So let me just repeat it again. So this encryption is basically encrypting the snapshot, and that encrypted snapshot will be present in another region, and based on this encrypted snapshot you can also create the volume relevant to it as an encrypted volume, right? So previously the volume was decrypted, so as a result the volume was the snapshot was also decrypted. But let's say if I want to move this snapshot to another region and I want to encrypt this, so based on this encrypted snapshot the volume will also be encrypted, right? So yeah, this is the point that you need to keep in mind. So currently this is the encryption method. I'm not going to be checking in or clicking in. So let's create a copy the snapshot, and now you can see here that this one is present here, the copy of it, and similar copy will be present in the Virginia. So let's select this. It will take some time. So let's, yeah, you can see here that this is the copied snapshot that was created, right? So it is not encrypted. So from there, if I want to create a volume, I can simply click on this, and let me just click on this again, and if I go here, I can simply create a volume based on this. So create a volume from snapshot, and now this volume will be decrypted because it is not currently encrypted. But let's say if the snapshot was encrypted, then as a result the volume will also be encrypted. So yeah, this is currently working now. It is present in the Virginia what you can say region, and I have successfully copied it. So this time I'm going to delete this snapshot because I don't need it. And after deleting it, let's go to the Mumbai region where it is, and where here what I will do, I will also delete this snapshot. Let me just wait for it. So it just takes some time, so let's wait for this. Yeah, so let's delete this, and I don't need it, right? So yeah, this is also deleted, and another thing, I need to delete the volume, and that's it. So I will move to the next videos and show you that in the next video with there are multiple other things that I'm going to be talking about relevant to AWS. So for now, that's it. So if you like this video, so then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.